Today topic is operating system. Now contents of operating systems are: what is operating system, operations of operating system, structure of operating system, features of operating system, graphical user interface, multi-user, multitasking, multiprocessing, multi-threading, types of operating system. Now advantages and disadvantages of operating system we will also discuss in this chapter. Finally, conclusion. What is operating system? Operating system is collection of software that manage computer hardware or computer resources. Operating system act as interface between the user and computer hardware. Now, operations of operating systems are starting and shutting down a computer, provide a user interface, manage programs, coordinate tasks, configure devices, manage memory, establish an internet connection, control a network, and it provides utilities. Structure of operating system, user interface, user interface with operating system, core of operating system responsible for loading operating system. Now features of operating systems are graphical user interface, multi-user, multitasking, multiprocessing, multi-threading. What is GUI? GUI is graphical user interface, a colorful screen you can see on your desktop. That is basically your graphical user interface. Multi-user, a multi-user operating system allows for multi-users to use the same computer at the same time and different time. Examples: Linux. Multitasking, an operating system that is capable of allowing computer to perform different tasks at the same time is known as multitasking. Unix, Windows XP, Windows Vista are examples of multitasking windows. Multiprocessing, an operating system capable of supporting utilizing more than one computer processor, more than one CPUs that can be shared. Below are some examples of multiprocessing operating systems. For example, Linux, Unix, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, and Windows 8, Windows 10. Types of operating systems: standalone operating system, server operating system, embedded operating system. Now number one is a standalone operating system, desktop operating system. What is a standalone operating system? Windows, Mac operating system, Linux are example of standalone operating system. Advantages and disadvantages of Windows. Advantages are easy to use, easy to update, easy to play games, familiar. Disadvantages are these are expensive, not stable, not secure. Now advantages and disadvantages of Linux. Advantages are free, secure, low price or low PC requirements. Disadvantages are not all software run, hard to learn, use and install, not familiarity. Server operating system. Server operating systems are designed to provide platform for multi-users for critical network applications. It manages file, printer sharing, web services, email, terminal services, caching. Now server needs. It needs administration, security, stability. Mobile-based operating systems. These are different mobile-based operating systems. Symbian operating system, iPhone operating system, RIM BlackBerry, Windows Mobile, Linux, Palm operating system. Windows 8. Pros: battery stability, can be used as primary operating system. Awesome support with tablets. Cons: virus prone, pad. These are different applications of Windows 8. Macintosh. Fabulous graphic, battery stability, great effects, awesome interface. Now cons are virus prone, size is almost 3 GB. Windows 7. Nice animation, better stability, less vulnerable, great error effects. Cons are crashes several times, virus prone, large size almost 3 to 4 GB. This is window of Windows 7. Conclusion. As operating system control and coordinate the use of the hardware among the various application programs for various uses, we can stay with it, and we can say that it play a very vital role in computer system. It is basically backbone of computer, and without operating system, computer cannot run.